Creating viral stick animations can be a game changer for anyone looking to grow on platforms like YouTube or TikTok. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to create these animations for free using Adobe Express Animator. These types of videos have racked up millions of views, bringing in thousands of dollars for creators through YouTube AdSense, the TikTok Creativity Program, and sponsorships. What makes stick animations so effective is their simplicity and charm. They grab attention immediately, and once people start watching, they find it hard to stop. Most viewers stick around to the end, and some even watch them on repeat, which boosts the video's performance and helps it get pushed to larger audiences. Best of all, the competition in this niche is still relatively low, meaning there's a huge opportunity for anyone willing to give it a try. If you've seen these videos before, you've probably noticed they tend to be short, funny, and super engaging. What's surprising is that creating them is incredibly easy and requires little technical skill. You don't need to be a professional animator, nor do you need expensive software. Today, I'll guide you through a simple, step-by-step process to make your own stick figure animation. And the best part, it's completely free, and there's no limit to how many videos you can make. Just follow along carefully, because skipping even a single step could result in an animation that doesn't quite work. Let's jump into it. The first thing you need to do is head over to Adobe Express Animator. I've provided a link in the description to make it easy to find. And when you're on the page, make sure you're using the free version of Adobe Express. Look for the correct logo to confirm you're in the right place. Once you've accessed the site, go ahead and click on the plus icon to start your project. From there, navigate to the Quick Actions tab. This is where you'll find a variety of options, but the one we want is called Animate from Audio. Scroll down until you see that option and select. Now we're at the fun part, choosing your character. As you'll see, Adobe gives you a wide range of characters to pick from. You can animate emojis, animals, humans, or even some strange, quirky figures. But for today's tutorial, we're focusing on the stick guy. Stick figures are a classic choice because they're simple yet super effective in conveying humor and storytelling. So go ahead and choose him. Next, it's time to add some life to your animation with a background. Click on the Background tab, where you can select a backdrop for your animation. You've got lots of options here. You can choose a color background, which is perfect if you want a clean, minimalist look, or you can go for a more detailed setting like a classroom, desert, city, or even space. For this example, let's go with the classroom. It's a great choice for light, relatable humor. Once your background is selected, head over to the Size tab. This is where you can choose the layout for your video, depending on where you plan to upload it. For YouTube, you'll want to select the landscape layout. But if you're creating content for TikTok, you'll want to switch to a portrait layout. Just keep in mind that portrait format works best with solid color backgrounds, so adjust accordingly. Now comes the audio, which will bring your stick figure to life. Here's where things get interesting. We're going to use a free text-to-speech website to generate the audio for our animation. I've linked a great site in the description, and it allows you to generate up to 2,000 characters of text for free. And the best part? You can use it an unlimited number of times with no hidden costs. Once you've signed up, head to the speaker section to choose a voice. You'll want to listen to a few of the voice options to find one that fits the tone of your video. So what kind of audio should you use? Well, I asked ChatGPT to give me a few funny, lighthearted jokes, and here's one I picked. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything, just like our excuses when working from home. Feel free to use jokes, short stories, or even motivational quotes. Stick animations are versatile, so you can tailor them to any niche. Once you've decided on the content, paste it into the text-to-speech tool, generate the audio, and download it to your computer. Now let's bring everything together. Go back to Adobe Express Animator and click on the Audio tab. Upload the audio file you just downloaded, and Adobe will automatically sync your character's movements with the speech. This is where the magic happens. Within minutes, Adobe Express will animate your stick figure to match the audio, giving you a fully polished animation that's ready to share with the world. Here's what the final animation looks like.
Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything, just like our excuses when working from home.
See how simple and effective that is. With just a few clicks, you've got a professional-looking animation that can entertain and engage an audience. Now, if you want to see real results, consistency is key. Posting 2 to 3 videos a day on platforms like YouTube or TikTok will help you gain momentum. The more content you put out, the more likely you are to get noticed by the algorithm. Remember, it's not just about quality, it's also about quantity. Stick to this schedule, and you're sure to see your view count rise. Before you go, make sure to check out all the resources I've linked in the description for additional tips and tools to help you on your animation journey. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tutorials on growing your online presence. I've got plenty more content coming your way, so stay tuned.